In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add games to a collection on itch.io quickly and easily. This is really useful if you want to organize your favorite games, keep track of titles you've discovered, or group different games into themed collections on your profile. Whether you're making a private collection for yourself or a public one to share with others, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software and website tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the itch.io website and go to the game page for the title you want to add. You can do this by searching for the game in itch.io, opening it from your library, or clicking directly into the game's page if you already have the link. Once the game page loads, take a look at the right-hand side of the page. This is where itch.io places the action buttons for the game. Now click on Add to Collection. This option lets you save the game into one of your existing collections, or create a brand new one if you don't have one yet. After you click it, a small window or panel will appear, asking for a few details. At this point, enter a collection name. This is the name that will identify the group of games you're organizing, so choose something that makes sense for you. For example, you could name it after a genre, a game jam, your favorites, or a list of games you want to come back to later. Next, you'll see an option to choose whether the collection is private. If you want it only for your own use, make it private. If you want other people on itch.io to be able to view it, leave it public instead. This is a nice feature because it gives you control over who can see your collections. You may also see a section for words about the game, which is optional. This is where you can add a short note or description about why you added the game to the collection. You can mention what you liked, what type of game it is, or anything else you want to remember later. If you don't want to add anything there, you can simply leave it blank. Once you've filled in the collection name, chosen the privacy setting and added optional notes if you want them, go ahead and confirm or save the collection. After that, the game will be added to your itch.io collection right away. And that's it. You've now learned how to add games to a collection in itch.io. It's a simple way to stay organized and keep all your favorite games in one place. If this tutorial was helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more easy how-to guides, and let me know in the comments what other itch.io tips you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.